Good morning. So we're back in Punta Cana. Last night we literally just had dinner and played games. It was quite chill. But today we're going on a boat, and first of all we're wearing this N21 print shirts and shorts, but the tailor really messed up. The shorts and the tops are just not the right sizing. Like, the sizing is the main problem right now. Let me just show you what we're working with. So this is the top. First of all, I'm usually like a size extra small in my clothes, and I got a small in this because I was like, okay, let me size up, let it be a bit baggy. Tell me why it's like, it's a wide here, but the length is so short. Like, it looks like a shirt that would fit. Like, if I buttoned it, it would be like tight. Second of all, the shorts. I don't know how to show you guys. The shorts come up to here, the shirts finishes here. In these type of sets, the shirts and the shorts are meant to finish like a similar length. The shorts would be like this much longer, so it makes me look like a page boy. Like, this thing is so ridiculous, but I think I'm gonna wear it instead with a skirt. Yeah, I feel like that's fine. Yeah, let me even take down my hair. Because I was swimming yesterday, I literally have my hair in the two braids. I spray bottled it last night with leave-in conditioner and like water, because that's what I'm supposed to do like in general. So let's see if that actually makes my hair tangle less, because the shedding on these braids is ridiculous. Like, I'm sorry, this thing sheds so much. I feel like I've lost so much hair. Root. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to spray bottle this. Why is everyone sitting? I'll sit here. Who's ready for the boats?
We're so excited.
Let's go to the Four Seasons Orlando. Where are we going? In the golf buggy to the marina.
Sí, yo ahora vuelvo a buscarla. Os dejo en el barco y vuelvo a buscar la comida. ¿Viene al supermercado a comprar algo? ¿Al supermercado queréis ir? O sea, que vengo ahora. Mirad.
Oh my god, I feel like I was gonna fall. This is the Grand Foyer. Say hi, guys. This is, I guess, the kitchen. And then there's a little mini bedroom in here. And another one here that has a bed. Then
I'm actually trying to find a picture.
we're driving the boat while driving the boat. Okay, I'll post on the way out.
Nicole's only turning 21.
Once. Hold tight.
I'm not drinking.
When is your drinking day?
I'm not drinking.
You said you were gonna have you. I'm gonna drink one time. It's gonna be.
I said if I was going to drink, it would not be on the first day.
Okay, so when is it gonna end? I think it's gonna be it's either today or tomorrow. Happy 4th. You and wait, what is the Sabbath? My pronouns are USA. This is very American of us to be on a boat on the 4th of July. Oh my god, look how cute. Oh, I couldn't even see them get in. Yeah.
Try to convict them, that's a no-go. My yo keep the scales tipping like foes. Like I'm from the H-O-U-S-T-O-N blow.
For the rest of the side. Look at what the weather's giving right now. Terrible. Look at that.
Where they're on that boat in San Fran, and it's like.
Is it Vanderpump Rules? There was one in came remember Real Housewives of New York when they nearly died on that boat, and it was like big. Everyone was throwing up, like all the furniture was like flying. Like, tell me why we've stopped in the middle of the ocean. In the middle of the ocean while it's, oh my goodness, can you see the rain right now? Oh my god, this is insane. Just look outside here. This is crazy. Crazy scenes. What the hell? What a day. Ha.
Punta Cana.
This is not even funny. We're laughing, but ain't shit funny.
You're the one that's laughing, girl. Like.
Just thank God this is now. I can't lie. That we're going back. Imagine if it was at like 12.
No, I mean, like, we had the full day. The day was great. It's fine. The weather was fabulous. It was gonna have to rain at some point.
Yeah, it was saying it was gonna rain today.
Well, there's literally other boats and stuff over there, you guys.
Oh, we're at the marina. Okay, thank God.
That's also why we're slow.
We're at the marina. That's why. I look like so white. I haven't moisturized and I've been swimming.
Put on my garment.
Yeah.
As the garden river flows while the August light becomes a golden eve.
Back at it again with the with who was it? With the white bands.
Down that road if you lose your way. Water to the soil and now
Everyone at the marina knew our group because of our
little match. They were like, oh, you guys, we saw some of your group there. And we were like, oh, how? And they were like, yeah, your shirts.
You're wearing the same shirt. Matching N21.
N21. Hashtag N21. 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 N21 for the color. N21 for the color. Okay, I'm ready for dinner. I'm so exhausted, if you can't tell. I'm not even a fan of my makeup right now. My hair has been tangling and like shedding a bunch. I'm just like, honestly, just a bit of a mess. I want to show you my outfit on my fit, but don't judge because my room is a mess. Wearing this top from Baby Girls, this skirt, I don't know where it's from. Got it in a closet sale. These heels from Mango. Some bangles, earrings. Yeah.
And then it was like, that's perfect, thank you. Yeah, and then I was just, maybe it's not.
Good morning, guys. As you can hear, my voice is like nearly done. Last night I literally was so tired and I was not feeling good. I was feeling like kind of ill, but we're back for breakfast. The weather is good today. It says it's not gonna rain. Look how pretty it is outside. It kind of looks dark on the camera, but it is actually really bright. And this morning we're having a traditional Dominican breakfast. That's what I said we should have for breakfast. Okay, the chef is about to be here to describe what exactly we're gonna be eating.
Hola.
Hola. Yes.
En inglés, good morning.
Good morning.
Acá tenemos salami. Es un embutido hecho de carne. De res.
What's carne?
Acá tenemos,
Oh, sorry.
acá tenemos queso frito.
Oh, cheese.
Es un queso frito. Huevos revueltos y yuca del campo.
Okay, so vlog. About to go to the beach. Looks quite nice. Say hi to the vlog. to my own vlog. We're on our way to the beach. We're going to a different spot today than we did yesterday. We've now like figured out our routes, how to get some places, how long. I actually really even know this is the right way out, but I don't think it matters which way we come out, to be honest, because you can come out either way. So yeah, give us a full 360. So cute. This is the book I've been reading this trip, China Rich Girlfriend. I read Crazy Rich Asians in the week before I got here, and I love Crazy Rich Asians. Like I've watched the movie like 3-4 times, and the book is also incredible, and I would say even better than the movie. Go Sylvia, go! You look like a kid.
Aww.
Oh Jesus. Angela, you can't do it. You could no, you can do it.
Wait,
Angela, relax. Play some relaxing music so she can chill.
The float thing.
You can do it. You're okay.
I'm alright. I can walk.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you a donut.
Baby's first swimming lesson.
Swimming lesson. Now hold on to the side and kick.
We're supposed to throw you inside like they do like the people on TikTok.
That was insane.
Do you want to try and blow some bubbles?
Start inhaling this water. No.
No, you breathe out like and bubbles will start to form. Go Angela, go Angela. See, thing is you're holding, your arms are gonna hurt like this. So what you need to do is relax your arms a little bit and put your head under.
Okay.
Cause
2, 1.
now kick. Faster. I actually think this ledge might be too high to be comfortable. You may have to use the infinity pool edge. That it would actually be a lot easier.
And you can, it will be on the channel.
Angela, you tried. Well done. Okay, so this is my outfit. So this is my outfit for the night. Look at it's my birthday headband. I don't even know if this is the correct way around. But yeah, look, I love this corset from Nisha Collections. And I have this skirt from, I think, Tiona the label. It's kind of big for me, so I've like bunched it up. And then I'm wearing my little mango shoes. But yeah, this is the... Okay, what are you wearing? Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing Princess Polly. So yeah, very simple black dress. I'm wearing a dress that I made into a top from Addicted. Bottoms are IMG, necklace Vivienne Westwood. Everything else is kind of like mix and match.
Love that. What are you wearing? Who are you wearing?
My top is from Three People and my skirt is from New.
You can't really see the skirt, but do you want to stand up?
My dress is from H&M.
Love that.
H&M doing bits.
Come on, buddy.
Wow. Oh, please. I'm running to that.
Okay.
I'm wearing a white dress, but I actually don't know where it's from. And my jewelry is, yeah, I'm sorry, I actually don't know where it's from.
Gatekeeper.
Okay.
My dress is Jacqueline.
You can shut up if you like.
Wow. She is the moment.
Top is from, I'm not sure, skirt from Urban.
My dress is from Massey.
Love it.
And then everything else is like from Vinted. So
You love a thrifting queen.
I'm not gonna stand up, but my dress is from Mashki, and then I got my necklace with you in Istanbul.
Oh my god, is that one? I was literally going to wear it, but it was tangled in my necklaces.
It's okay.
Yeah, I think
come pick it up.
Oh my god,
I'm just gonna kill it.
you're gonna kill it. Okay. Oh, gosh, I pick it up.
Alright,
Someone just pick it up.
I'm gonna want you to just pick it up.
Okay.
Hello?
Oh my god.
Wow.
Yeah,
+5 aura points.
Drown in the pool. This is some serial killers in the making.
Oh.
You know when they say serial killers,
Yeah,
they're always like
like
weird with like
shut up
bugs, yeah.
I have 2 really good
Gracias.
My first one was really funny. So Nicole was like my house mother at school, like when the
Oh, I know this is gonna be.
when you like get assigned your house rules, so you have to like make them a card. And like normally like we just put like an acoustic poem in it. It's just like a really cute handmade card. You put sweets, you take sweets in it, everything. Yeah. So Nicole like so if she did like an acrostic poem, it's like RENI, and then the R was like relevant, and then like and then like I was pulling off for her, and then she like I just didn't really have anything else to say. So that's literally exactly what she said. I didn't really know what else to say. I was like, okay. She's like, yeah, you're relevant. Like that's a good thing. And then like I have given you the power of being cool. I felt really cool at this moment.
We have some paella in here. It's like a rice. We have a little salad as well. Okay, you ready, Angela? Taste test. What's it giving? Come on, Keith Lee rating.
It's so good. This paella is busting.
You might say busting.
They're gonna have me busting at the seams.
Oh no, stand up. Let them see your waist because you know that it's not busting at the seams. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up, stand up.
I don't want waist watch.
It's giving what waist? Where's the waist? You should call the doctor because the waist doesn't exist anymore.
Excuse me, miss, your waist is missing.
It's missing.
Please. You too kind. We're just very
confused. We needed some, that's definitely some pudding. It's kind of looking like chia pudding.
We just don't really know what's happening.
It looks like a passion fruit milk.
I hope this isn't so funny.
You know why I'm confused? It's because I wanted to be like, can we have like cake or something? He said that he couldn't. And then he was like, oh, I'll do a flambe, like so like it's on fire. She said, yeah, let's do that.
Oh, Jody's trying it.
Like, why you want to know one of them?
Jody thoughts?
That's like banana. It's actually not bad.
The fruit one?
I don't like banana. It's like,
you don't?
The thing is that it's like banana cake, but not cake.
Is it hot or cold?
Cold.
Yeah, we.
Yes. Like I said, it's not bad, but it's an interesting flavor.
Yeah.
I don't necessarily select this to eat. But
So is this traditional or?
Wait,
guys, I don't want to offend.
No, it's literally banoffee pie, guys.
Yeah, it's like
What the hell is banoffee pie?
You've never had banoffee pie? It's like banoffee.
So good.
It's nice.
but
it's without the pie. It's like a mashup. It's like banoffee pie in the blend. Okay. Cheers to Nicole's 21st birthday. We are about to go out to the club, but we're just taking one last shot before we go. Cheers.
1.
3. What? How many do you want?
I don't know. Like we need a couple. We're supposed to be.
Shit. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
That's quite nice.
Because when else are we gonna drink it?
Today, I believe Nicole is gonna get the most drunk because she loves to get silly. And I want her to get like extra silly because it's her birthday. And I think she will. I think she's gonna wake up and go, fuck. Yesterday was so crazy. I got so drunk. Ooh. Cheers.
You don't hear me?
I need a chaser.
You know it's very expensive today. Put my name on it. You have to make sure you get the right notes. You know he's keeping his money away. You know it's very expensive today. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. Can't be fucked with no Lord. Say you all about money. Yeah, I ain't cash. Don't be trusting these tricks, they tricky. Send them a pic of somebody else's titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a 23. Haters can't relate. Just never been. I'm just thinking real nigga for nice and I'm a hard.
I'm gonna taste it.
My fingers on my
I just still have the cameras not today.
You way I'm
go back home. So I don't know what did I even do this morning. Literally nothing. Just had breakfast and packed. We just got some Wendy's from the airport to eat right before our flight. We're literally going to our gate in like 25 minutes. And then Amma left early this morning, so did Jess. So there's 8 of us flying back to London. And yeah, this was a really fun trip. I'm so tired from last night. The club was so fun, but like I am tired. And it was also just an interesting experience. Like, there was just a lot of things going on. Yeah, literally watching the like planes. Side note, the airport in Punta Cana is so nice. Like, it's quite like simple, but it just makes a lot of sense. Like, everything is just very easy to find. The whole process of the airport is super easy, which has been great. But yeah, this has been an amazing trip, amazing trip. Thank you guys for watching. I haven't even been saying this in this vlog at all, but don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I literally have not said this once at all since I've been filming, but like, comment and subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite moment from this vlog was. But yeah, thanks for watching.